Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to make such amazing traffic light system with time counter? Are you ready? So, let's get started. Hello, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting Arduino project to share with you, a traffic light timer with a 7-segment display. In this project, we will use 3 LEDs to simulate a traffic light red, yellow, and green, and display the countdown on a 7-segment display. Let's get started. Welcome back to our channel. In order to make a simple traffic light circuit using 7-segment with Arduino, first let's understand the main process. The red LED will glow for 9 seconds where the 7-segment is counting down the seconds in parallel. After that, the yellow light will turn on for 4 seconds and finally the green light will turn on for 9 seconds also. Now after knowing the main process, let's shed light on the circuit connection where the 3 LEDs is connected to digital pins 1, 2, 3 connected with 220 ohm resistor respectively. After that, anode 7-segment is connected to digital pins from 7 till 13. Now after connection process is accomplished, now it's time to write and explaining the code. First we define the connected pins to the components as outputs. After that it's time to write the 7-segment numbers display code where each number is defined in case structure from 1 to 9 when we need them in the loop we call it directly. This process will simplifies the code structure. After that we go above to void loop and begin writing the continuous repeatable process. First the red LEDs at digital pin 3 will be high for 9 seconds with 7-segment counting the seconds. Next the yellow will be high for 4 seconds followed by green LED that waits for 9 seconds to turn off and repeat the process. Finally, this is our project for today. To get more such technological videos please click the subscribe and notification bell. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Goodbye.